Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the Darkify Pro control settings and explore how to configure dark mode for both your website visitors and your WordPress admin panel. Let's begin with the front-end settings. After installing Darkify Pro, this is the control screen you'll see. These settings define how dark mode behaves on the front end of your website. Front-end dark mode. This option enables dark mode for your website visitors. When turned on, users can switch between light and dark mode using the Darkify toggle. If disabled, dark mode will not be available on the front end. Default dark mode. This determines which mode loads first for new visitors. If enabled, your website will load in dark mode by default. If disabled, it will start in light mode. Once a visitor switches modes, their preference is saved automatically. OS-aware dark mode. When enabled, Darkify detects the visitor's operating system theme. If their device is set to dark mode, your website will automatically load in dark mode. This creates a seamless and natural experience for users. Keyboard shortcut. This allows visitors to toggle dark mode using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus D. On macOS, press Ctrl plus Option plus D. This improves accessibility and allows instant switching without clicking the toggle. Now let's move to the advanced behavior settings. Time-based auto dark mode. When enabled, dark mode activates automatically during a specific time range. You can define a start time and an end time. For example, you can activate dark mode in the evening and disable it in the morning. The switching happens automatically based on the visitor's local time. Hide dark mode switch on desktop. This removes the toggle switch from desktop devices. Dark mode can still work automatically through scheduling or system detection. Hide dark mode on mobile. This hides the toggle switch on mobile devices. It gives you full control over where the switch appears. Hide detection method. This option controls how Darkify detects device type. You can choose user agent detection, screen size detection, or both. Selecting both provides the most accurate result. Show switch in menu. Instead of using a floating switch, you can insert the dark mode toggle directly inside your navigation menu. When enabled, additional menu configuration settings appear. Here, you can select which menu should contain the toggle, choose the position, before or after menu items, and customize the switch styling. This allows the toggle to blend perfectly with your website design. Admin panel settings. Now let's switch to the Admin tab. These settings control dark mode inside your WordPress dashboard. Admin panel dark mode. When enabled, Darkify applies dark mode across the entire WordPress admin interface. You'll also see a toggle in the top admin bar, allowing you to switch modes anytime. Block editor dark mode. This enables dark mode inside the Gutenberg block editor. It reduces eye strain during long writing sessions and keeps the editing experience consistent. Classic Editor Dark Mode. This applies dark styling inside the Classic Editor interface. If you're using the Classic Editor plugin, this ensures the editor also follows dark mode. Disallowed Pages. Here, you can exclude specific admin pages from dark mode. Simply enter comma-separated page slugs. For example, Fluent Forms, Stackable. Darkify will skip dark mode on those pages. This ensures compatibility with plugins that may require a light interface. Darkify gives you full control over how dark mode behaves on both the front end and the admin dashboard. You can enable manual switching, automatic system detection, scheduled activation, menu integration, and full admin dark mode support. Configure it based on your workflow and your audience's needs. Thank you for watching and enjoy the most flexible dark mode experience for WordPress.